for us quick swing
Holy
traders,
shit.
but for those longer term investors, this is definitely the
Mm,
move for them right there. Still, they love
what
that.
the fuck?
So
How
we'll
are gonna
probably
move
we'll probably get a quick
gonna
round
be
of swings
selling
in
here?
there.
Keep an eye on that one.
Yeah, quick day trades. Look, they love to go in for the
Mm.
hot spike on there. That's
Oh
crazy.
yeah, they do. Yes, they do. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh god, it's a monster.
That's crazy. I got a strong
Let's
cost
go.
distribution. A mean bullish cost distribution down there. Ooh,
Fully filled that gap.
yeah, nice. That's a good one, Miss Erica. If they talk
Yeah,
about
that's
the
a
long,
good one.
if anybody who not in there yet, that would be more of a long term investment move, where you want to wait for that dip though, for sure,
You could play this one back and forth.
definitely.
We said the ticker
Okay,
was
thank you.
GLE.
Um,
SGLY.
SGLY. Samsung Galaxy Lucy Yolanda. YOLO.
Okay. What is that? SGY.
SGLY.
What is that?
I got in at 450 and got out at 6, but I was
Mm,
wondering, do you
Nice.
think
Yeah, it
that's
could
we have
have
to
nice.
get
another
another
round.
round if it
It could definitely have another round. Entry price is going to be about 450. You're going to come down a little bit. You might be a little early on it.
Hold
okay.
on.
I agree.
Yeah, if this is a team gap fill situation, X-Bit's on that.
No, the gap is mostly
I want to take
filled.
a
It's
look
not going
here.
to
Let me
fully
take a
fill
look.
for quite a bit. Might have been looking at the wrong time frame. Let me see
I
now.
mean, you also say,
Gap.
long term, my ears perk up. SGLY. Oh, Singularity Future Technology. Okay. Global Logistics. Okay. American company. Billy, I tend to in this environment, I've been kind of just sticking to US stocks, to be honest. Like, if you guys, I don't know, guys, how you guys feel about like
Dude,
Chinese stocks and shit.
in
I don't
this
know.
environment, what do you mean in this environment? You stick to U.S. stocks, period, because you got some American thing going on.
I think China all messed. I think China stocks. So in my experience so far, at least, I've noticed that China stocks be all kinds of. I don't know, like manipulated. I think
Yeah,
they
yeah,
be
Yeah,
more fluky than regular stocks. It seems,
right.
but
yeah.
I think they say China just had like a big market crash or something like that.
Yeah, they
Hmm.
have. Yep.
So like
But
Yeah.
eventually here, well, so actually, no, this get deep. This get deep. You know, you already know. I get deep with it. So
Go,
they
go.
talking about how China not even finna be here anymore. Like
what?
China not gonna survive. It's just gonna completely be
Oh,
gone. They talking
extreme.
about this
That's
is gonna be
extreme.
unfolding in the next here decade or so. You know, so
Day
Damn.
for them
one.
to be having,
That's
I
a
don't know if this is
one.
their first big market crash, but as far as I know, at least in my history, China been doing pretty straight. You know what I
Hey,
mean?
let's
China
go,
been
baby.
straight. You know what
Let's
I mean?
go. Hey,
China, everything come
check
from
out.
China and all that stuff like that. But yeah, China finna be gone. They say, and this is really gonna impact
Check out
everything.
about this.
Once all the
Let me
China
tell you.
markets are gone, this is gonna make everybody flood to the other
Mm-hmm.
markets, maybe even the U.S. markets.
Oh
Everybody,
Goddamn
shit!
right.
Yeah.
100%.
you know,
Oh my
100%.
god.
it's gonna be
You got
crazy.
Billy, we've been saying Roaring Twenties all over again, baby. Roaring Twenties.
let's go.
It ain't stopping.
So,
It's
do you
gonna be
know?
wild.
So,
Roaring
we've been
Twenties
doing
all
some.
over again.
It's gonna be
We've been
wild.
doing.
But another wilder thing is that these like in the next couple of years. So like right now they talking about by 2030 they finna have almost like 30-40% of the workforce filled with humanoid robots.
Mm.
We getting closer to the robot AI revolution. We
Let's
also
go.
getting closer to being out there in space. They talking about Mars first, of course, but they've already
Yeah.
discovered many habitable planets.
Uh,
They talk about how
uh,
these planets are just a little bit too far, and so on
I
and so
wouldn't.
forth.
I wouldn't.
So
I wouldn't
this
go
thing,
so
though, this is what it's
fast.
all getting down to, though. We're not gonna be taking
Uh,
these dollar bills. You know what I mean? You open your wallet, you got 100 in there. You're not taking those to the stars, bro. What they going because you can't transfer that. You're not gonna be able to transfer it across planets. The only currency that's gonna be able to be transferred interplanetary is gonna be cryptocurrency.
Mm.
okay.
Literally. Literally, bro.
Okay.
Talk about. You got to send Mon Dukes and them some coins back at your Earth house. Only cryptocurrency that's going to travel across the star. Only currency that's going to travel across the stars and be instant. is that cryptocurrency.
Well, that's why you should invest in Tesla at the moment because it's all going to be robots, isn't it? Because Tesla, I've bought a few more Tesla shares. Keep buying a Tesla
Yeah.
because they're looking into for the next 5 years they're looking into solar panel. I mean, yeah, solar. So they're looking at big time solar panels, and
Mm.
they can run all of US, whole of
Yeah,
New York on
I
so
I
on
agree.
2 miles, 2 mile solar panel farm. Yeah, they're going to do a
Yeah.
2 mile solar farm in any one isolated area. They will run the whole of New York's electricity on solar panels, and they're looking into solar paneling all the houses as well. So not only cars. So I think they're having a little dip at the moment because few Teslas have been on fire. Because
Yeah.
lithium ion, once it goes on fire, it doesn't come off. So I think now the biggest thing I'm telling you, even I'm in Nvidia and they've gone to 900 today. I got in yesterday, so I made a few. But Tesla, they set 175 yesterday. It's like gold dust. Trust me. When they get to 300, 400, how much money are you going to make instead of messing around with penny stocks? I know some penny stocks, but you're going to make some
You
good
know,
money.
we've been North Star and I have been doing some research on the
Yeah.
semiconductor boom. All those
Oh
robots
yeah,
and
AMD,
chips.
AMD. Now
Yeah,
AMD.
AMD is kind of a
AMD.
retail supplier. I've been looking at like Intel and the competition to
Yes.
Intel, which is Taiwan Semiconductors and Nvidia.
Yeah, but
And
there's a problem there. There's a problem there because they've got tensions between Japan and Taiwan. That's why the
Mm.
semiconductor part of it is they're at a hold. So a lot of investments over where AMD they've got sites in Seattle, and so we're away from that um, risk area. Where there's turbulence or war. So you got to look at
well,
places where they're doing semiconductors,
well,
and they can.
let's do a quick comparison of market capitalization of AMD
Look,
versus Intel. You're going to see that AMD is a much smaller company than Intel. So like AMD has a market cap 300 billion,
yeah,
and
it's not small. It's not small.
yeah, in Intel, where's INTC?
But AMD,
INTC, they're
AMD have
bigger than
got
I
the
thought.
yeah, but
Um,
AMD are more like they've got the the in terms of
huh,
the Sims the actual processor. They've got the most advanced processor, and Intel are going into that. So well, they're looking into new technologies where AMD have they're structured. They're with the technology that Nvidia wants to use as well. So
Mm.
Intel is getting there, and Intel is going to be big. Intel is no doubtly going to be big, but at the moment the powers and the connections and let's say contracts lie with AMD with
hmm.
Nvidia, and Nvidia is going to go £2,000 a share in next couple of years or next 220. This year is going to be very significant. Look at the Nvidia share. It's getting
Hmm.
to £1,000 soon.
No, I know.
$1,000,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
and that's 2,000. I mean, mind kid, that's because it's going into
No,
robots and it's
I think you're right. I actually agree with you. Yeah.
so then AMD is linked with that. So AMD is going to get from 200 at the moment to 300, 400, I guess.
Wow.
In the long term. But Intel will get there as well. It's nice to go come in and out Intel because they're a strong company because everything was on Intel as well. Um,
Well,
so and
they're building a factory in Ohio. You know about that?
yes, to get away from
Yeah.
Japan and all around there.
Yeah.
I think Bill is right. I think at the moment, do you know? I posted up Palantir Technology, who's looking at
Yeah.
cybersecurity. What's happening? I tell you what's happening. There's a plant in Area 52 which you don't know about, right? Which is like they've got UFOs and all sorts of shit going on, like stealth technology. They can bomb. America can bomb any country like they did with Chernobyl. They'll wipe it out in a second, well, in a day. A nuclear warfare. I'm talking about if Japan gets turbulent, then I reckon Americans going to bomb them. I
Mm.
reckon
Well.
America's got technology now. They can deploy aircrafts within 3 hours to any country. Within 3 hours, well, faster than that, I
Yeah.
guess.
And
They,
how
Oh
is that
yeah. They
they've
can
got
effective
reach out and
against
touch
other
you real fucking quick.
Palantir? What is
Yeah, I'm
the
telling
what's
you. I've read so much about it and the UFOs. They've even got UFOs. Whatever they're doing in Area 52, we don't know. But I know that they've got Palantir looking into all the cybersecurity and all that, and they can deploy ships and they can pinpoint bomb, like just bomb like wherever they want, and they just take the whole country out. I mean, it's silly. I don't agree with it, but
Really?
this is what's going to happen.
Oh, we need to.
Example.
We might need to reassess this Palantir thing, North. Where'd you go?
I told you, it's a 400 million contract with Military of Defence. That's why I put it out.
Jesus.
My share price has already gone up. I'm about 2 grand up in that already. So all I'm saying
Yeah,
that
North.
that I
We
got
might
my
have to
16.
reevaluate.
When I joined the disco, I told you get in at $16. Now it's 26. It's going to get to 30,
Yeah.
maybe 40. So and it's a no-brainer. You don't have to worry about it too much. Just leave it and let it grow for a year or so, and then go in and out of it. But I don't know.
Can't believe what
I
I'm
think.
hearing.
Yeah, because they've got Microsoft, Amazon. They've got others. They're doing all the security for the military and the big five, big giants as well. They're linked with them as well. Because I think cybersecurity is on the. They need security, don't they?
Why
So
didn't you tell me this? Why didn't you tell me this
but
sooner? What the hell, man?
I told you,
Okay.
I was banging on about it on Discord so long time, but
Yeah, he
Damn it.
done been telling you.
yeah, Palantir Technology, Palantir. No, PLANT or some R or something like that. PLNT.
The ticker is PLTR.
Yeah, right.
I heard
You,
that. Wish I did. I just heard that.
yeah, yeah, you did. Look, today's swings. GERN. Check out GERN today's swings from Oracle. I've just had an update. GERN, yeah, and it's a 1.0
Yeah,
billion.
I've heard of that. Heard of
Yeah,
Gurn.
so that's gonna be shooting up shortly. So if you want to get on it, people, I think you're gonna make some money on that. And the next one I've got is
That's not bad, actually. Nice. Good play.
GRN
Yeah, it's
and
a good play.
CLRO. That's going up now actually. CLRO. Um, yeah, it's going crazy now. It's going
Oh,
crazy
wow.
now.
Yeah, that is
Yeah,
going crazy.
yeah. Right.
You did.
Anyway, listen, guys. I need to shoot. I need to pick up my son. So I just thought,
Ah,
come in. I'm sorry. I've got a bit busy
good,
in
man.
the last few days, but
Hey, man, I'll catch you
Oh,
next
good.
time.
All right, Nish.
Catch
Yeah,
you
we'll
next
catch
time.
you next time, buddy.
Yeah.
take it easy.
Thank you.
But I need.
Take care.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
man. Good
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Good
Thanks.
stuff.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Hell
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah, and
100.
John, I just need to update on BIVI because obviously I need to buy some shares to get my average down. So I need to know guess what's happening with that. BIVI.
Oh, let's go. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let us know. I'll catch up with you in a bit then. Thanks.
All right. Looking forward to it. Right on.
Thanks, guys. Take care.
Right on. Take care.
Yo.
Oh, that was some good information. I was surprised.
Yeah, Nish is good. Nish is good.
Yeah.
That's good. That's a commodity that I covet is the information.
Yeah.
Go.
Your dumbass kicked him, North Star.
Mm,
Idiot.
mm.
Yeah.
That
Okay.
was a different guy.
Different guy. Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It's not teamwork.
What's going on? Oh yeah, that's a good play. Yeah, I saw the chart. That's
Is
not a
that a
bad one.
biotech? Is that biotech or is that cybersecurity?
Sounds like Raider Bo, doesn't he? Let's see.
Raider Bo, what?
Raider Bo. Raider Bo, no. Yeah, I think took a dip.
Oh, knows.
I took a dip. Definitely did. Mm. Lin's fair
Okay.
value gap for $2.
Checking out AMLX, EVC.
Yeah, I can see a return to $2 on that.
RGF, real good food. Choppy, but probably finna fill that thing back up towards that dollar. Probably won't even make it to that dollar, but quick reversal. It's already pretty much coming in.
Go Billy. Let's go. He's on it, man.
Let me see. Let me see. I've been looking at CLEU. Only thing is, just how y'all saying, this that one of those China stocks, man, low volume. It could really go either way, and they probably finna send this thing under a dollar. More riskier than safe at that point down there.
Actually, it's trash.
Joanne, this thing finna come in for a reversal. This is gonna be an easy one right here. The volume already starting to outdo the average volume, so it's already finna start picking up with the attention getting in there. Up about 11% today. Not too far off. Not too far off. Mm,
Yeah. Yeah, no
let
shit.
me see.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're right there. I can see it going. I can see
We
it
talk
going
about
about 30,
we,
35, 36 cents on that. Go up, you can
we talk
go up
about
10 cents.
SCPX.
Oh, I thought you were talking about
SCPX is down
Jones.
at that point. This
I
gonna
was
be a
still talking
little. This
about
one gonna be
Jones.
a little bit choppy right here, and it got a low volume, but volume is definitely starting to pick up. If the markets come in for the more bullish day later on today, or maybe even tomorrow, probably get an easy overnight swing in the SCPX down there.
Hmm. Holy
We've
shit.
seen
Oh!
CZOO come in
Oh!
for moves all the time.
Wait, whoa, 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 whoa,
Spikes,
whoa, whoa,
multi-day
whoa,
bull runs. CZOO is pretty much almost a guaranteed bull run, literally.
How do you keep moving so fast? I'm still on SCPX. What's this one?
I do this, bro. I do this, bro. I do
You
this, bro.
do
I'm giving
this. You
y'all
go
this.
so fast,
So
bro.
y'all
What's
watch
what's
this,
this
man.
one called? What's dude? That
The last one I
SCPX
just
is
said
gold.
CZOO. Just throw these
CZOO.
on y'all watch. Just throw these on y'all watch
Okay.
list while I'm naming them out, because these ones are the ones that's
Yeah.
looking good. These would probably be the ones that
Hmm.
we'd be looking towards for the after hours to see if they got the stronger inflows and the bullish sentiments and the feeds and whatnot and stuff like that
That last one,
towards
the
the after
last one you
hours.
was talking about, the SCPX. I mean, that's a
Uh,
solid gap. That's a solid gap fill to 30 cents. You can just
oh
double your.
that's easy.
That's an easy one right there.
That's an easy
Yeah,
one. But unluckily,
that's an
but
easy one.
sadly, we can't catch them all. They all always be. It's always the same thing. So we're doing the same
Oh,
thing
let's go,
nonstop for years.
Billy. Oh, Billy Banks. Let's go.
Sadly, we just think you can't catch them all. So the question is, which one is the best ones out of the
Uh-huh.
5 or 8 that are on the top of the
You already
list?
know.
You know,
You already know. He's on it, North. He's on it. I believe in Billy, bro. You made me a believer, bro. Let's go.
it's always the same. Ain't nothing never changed. You know.
Oh man,
And
that's
as
that's
long as
called
we
that's
stick,
called refinement. You
to our
refine it.
ranges or wherever we be going for, everything be working out perfectly fine. I ain't seeing too many more good ones on this list right now. I'll tell y'all some bogus ones I'm looking at. You want to see one of the bogus ones? This one
I'm
is
already seeing the CPX, SCPX. I'm ready to play. I'm gonna wait for an entry.
yeah,
Because
SCPX looking
one,
fire
I
right
just
now.
need once I get a green candle, we're straight to 15 cents and double that. Oh, sorry, 30 cents.
I
Can we get a
agree.
quick run to 26 cents on a green candle? Couple days. Couple days.
Yep, just a couple days, and it's all about patience. Not only
No,
patience to lock in the games and whatnot, but also patience, time, and getting in on that thing.
absolutely. Your timing is everything. 100%.
Oh, a big one
This is a
right
good
here.
one.
This is I don't think I've ever seen this one before. This is ASLE.
ASLE. Let me see.
It's a bigger one. Still low volume, easy reversal. Bullish divergence about to be made pretty much tonight.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah. It's getting primed for it too. Back up
Yeah,
to
this one.
$8. Yeah, definitely get a dollar gain on that. 100%. ASLE.
ASL.
ASLE. SLE. Yeah, definitely go to $8 on that one.
I think that yes, those are the only good ones. Well, the best ones I've
Mm-hmm.
seen, I guess. There's a few other ones on the list, but they are
Those
choppy
are
and whatnot.
those are some good plays. Absolutely.
Yeah, those hot, easy for pro traders,
Easy,
easy for newer
easy, easy,
perfect for
bro.
newer
This is easy.
traders to be able to learn what a consistent reversal is and to be able to get consistent gains off of these easy guarantee reversals with the inflow coming in and learn now how to compare that with
Oh
the
God,
outflow
let's
going in.
go.
People locking in gains at 15, at 25s as these stocks explode 100% and to get the feel of what it's like to lock in gains early and get used to locking in gains early as that stock still explodes up another 100%. And we
Oh
should have
God.
held on a little bit longer. Perfect for
Oh
newer
God.
traders to be able to sit back and get consistent gains and they ain't got to deal with the man. I had to wake up at 4 a.m. every single morning and do this and that. No, motherfuckers able to sleep till 9 a.m. every day and still locking those gains off of those safe, easy swing trades. Trading with no fear, no pressure,
Oh
no
God.
anxiety. You know?
Juicing me up over here, creaming my pants, bro. What the hell?
Yeah, bro. It be real, bro.
My
It
Oh
be
my
God.
real.
god.
I done seen dozens on
Completely
dozens of
unhinged.
people joining in on Banker with Billy and trying to figure out
Banking with
what's
Billy.
this and what's that and help learn this and then in the next week or so, and all they able to say is I know exactly what I'm doing now. They know exactly what they. In fact, they
Hey,
giving me plays. Giving me
yeah,
plays.
that's how it
You
is.
know what
That's
I mean? And these people don't master the strategy. That's why we can trust and
listen.
believe. Not only I'm throwing out a play,
What?
but also when any of the coaches are throwing out a play or any other members because we all trade with the same setup and the same strategy every single trade. Now lows, and oversold. Some people use different indicators, I guess. But the indicator thing is bullish divergence, it's time to buy, or is bearish divergence, time to sell. However, they looking at those indicators. I don't know nothing about no Bollinger Bands or other FMA 5000s and stuff like that. But indicators they use it still tell them one thing: it's time to buy or it's time to sell. And if they can master that, I recommend the RSI and MACD. I find the RSI and MACD is the most easy, the most simple. Tell you when it's oversold and safe, and with the MACD you can time in your entry with bullish divergence. And if it ain't making bullish divergence, and if it's not oversold and safe, then ain't no business going for it. I guess emotions and stuff like that. FOMO. Sometimes that FOMO and that greed do kick in. It do. But as long as we become more mechanical with what we're doing, control our emotions, make sure that we stick to the strategy, and remember, 7 to 15% up, 7 to 15% down. Anything extra is a blessing. So when you wake up and you already up about 70, 80%, just go ahead and lock it in and be ready for the next swing. Because the bankability Discord alert now, every single stock that ever explodes, anyways. Depending on how I like to go for it, except for short sales. Except for short sales, I don't think nobody throw out short sell alerts. That's a strategy for another day. But yeah, EVC finna explode.
Check 1 2. God damn it! I've been muted this entire fucking time. Jesus Christ. My God, these headphones—they're so sensitive. I got these. They're like they're made out of lambskin. They have like these touch sensors on them. But I use RSI, MACD, DMI, slow stochastics, Ichimoku cloud. I've got my moving averages, parabolic SAR. I've got pivot points. I've got standard deviation, and I've got my super trend, volume profile, and I'm pretty heavy into all the stuff you're talking about. And I forgot what I was gonna say now. I just blew my high. Oh yeah, I study people's strategies. I'm all about studying strategies. Like I run the wheel, I run credit spreads, getting into some iron condor activity. And there's like more advanced strategies out there that I want to learn about because I'm an options trader. There's advanced strategies like collars, jade lizards, and other stuff that I'm getting into. Um, and I used to be a day trader, and this 52-week low it's interesting to me. I love the reversals on it. It's great, man. It's great. Let's go. Let's go. Um, was I speaking alien or?
All right, I do gotta head out right now. You guys stay up. Expert, stay up. Billy, scrolling trades. Let's
You're
go.
leaving me?
Yeah, I
Oh,
gotta head out here. I'll hit you up during lunchtime here. We'll do lunch. All right.
oh,
Stay
okay.
up. Keep
I'll
100.
meet you at lunch. 100%. Oh man, I can't operate without my associate. He handles the balance sheet. All right. Well, Billy's out and I'm out. Did Billy leave us? Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys later. You guys take it easy. All right. Right on.